How to recover deleted photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can recover our deleted photos and videos that you might have deleted from your Galaxy device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with our today's video. Restoring your deleted photos and videos on Galaxy S25 series is a fairly simple process. Let's say you have your gallery application and then you happen to delete some of the text right here. So you long pressed on it, tap the delete button and moved it to your trash. Now, fortunately, you can actually restore these photos up to 30 days after deleting it. So what you have to do is after you launch this, tap on the three lines icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you've done that, you want to simply go to this option that says trash and tap on it. Then when you go to the trash options, these are the options that you will be able to find. And what you have to do is, if you want to restore a certain photo, you can select that photo and tap the restore button, or you can restore all of the photos by tapping the three dots option and then going ahead and then long pressing all of this and then just tapping on the restore all button. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.